As demand for energy grows, so does the pressure for optimization and efficiency. OPTIMAX is ABB's advanced optimization and forecasting platform that improves energy efficiency, enhances operational visibility, and supports smarter decision-making across your energy and process systems. And with OPTIMAX 7.0, operators gain even greater autonomy and visibility across multiple assets. Now available as software as a service, providing 24/7 monitoring and reporting with minimal investment, deploy on-premises or cloud. AI forecasting lets you accurately predict energy demand, generation, and market pricing. And when combined with ABB's advanced process control, OPTIMAX becomes even more powerful, integrating securely with existing control systems to continuously optimize energy and process performance. Unlock the value of industrial optimization and autonomy and drive your revenue growth with ABB Ability OPTIMAX 7.0.